Once again, let me call upon the very last speaker, Maulana Usama Sahab, to give a talk on the topic of tolerance in Islam.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon the last and final messenger, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, upon his family and all his companions. Respectable teacher, honorable judges, and dear audience, today it is surprising that violence is associated with Islam and Muslims are labeled as terrorists. In fact, it is Islam which first proclaimed the slogan of universal brotherhood, equality, justice, and tolerance at a time when the humanity was fast asleep in the gruesome darkness of ignorance and injustice. Dear audience, the first and foremost principle of Islam is that all human beings have descended from one father and to one mother. Thus they are equal on the basis of humanity. The Quran says, Ya ayyuhan nas, inna khalaqnakum min dhakarin wa untha wa ja'alnakum shu'uban wa qaba'ila lita'arafu inna akramakum indallahi atqakum inna Allaha alimun khabir. O mankind, we have created you from a male and a female and made you into races and tribes so that you may identify one another. Surely the noblest of you in the sight of Allah is the one who is most pious of you. Surely Allah is all knowing, all aware. The Prophet, Allah bless him and give him peace, said, O people, behold, your Lord is one. There is no superiority for an Arab or a non-Arab, neither for a non-Arab or an Arab, nor for a black on a red, nor for a red on a black, but due to piety and righteousness. Dear intellectual, considering all people equal is the foundation, a stone of tolerance and coexistence. The second thing after equality